What is NLP? Neuro Linguistic Programming. What are its benefits? How can you master it? And how does it turn around your life and help you build a life you really want for yourself? Let's demystify all of these now. NLP is a set of methodologies, a linguistic based, language based system that helps you develop that attitude of excellence within yourself. It helps you get rid of your fears, your phobias, your limiting beliefs, challenges that you have been facing in life, bad memories, things that have been stopping you from moving on and getting a life you want. It is much more than that. But overall, it is a linguistic approach to excellence. It is how you look into the subjectivity of human behavior. What is subjectivity? Well, human behavior isn't something between on and off. It is not happy, sad. No, there's a range of it. The range of emotions. So NLP helps us identify within that range and what are the things that are bringing those emotions to you. What are things that might be blocking you? And then really carefully, and you can do it yourself, eliminate all the things that have been blocking you and build all the things that can build your life. So NLP is one of those most essential skills that will help you get a life you want. Some people do things excellently. What is exactly they do inside their head? NLP is based on that. It's based on a lot of study. Even now, we have been researching. I myself have been researching and working on NLP for about 20 plus years now. NLP helps you in so many ways. And how can you learn it? Let's talk about it. I have been teaching NLP for about 20 plus years now. My company, NLP Authority, has been one of India's premier organizations helping you learn NLP and also coaching. We teach NLP practitioner, which is certified from international certification bodies. We teach NLP for business, for health, for personal things, for relationships, for therapy, for coaching, for human resource. NLP has so many applications, and all of these are touched. All of these are covered in the training courses we have. We teach NLP practitioner programs, NLP master practitioner programs, NLP training programs, NLP coach training, and a lot more. What else? Now, since the last few years, we have been including emotional intelligence and their models in our trainings also. So, learn NLP, build your life, and if you really want to do that, it's a great idea to get in touch. Go to nlpauthority.com, see what course suits you. You can WhatsApp me. There's a link on the website. I'm going to leave it in the description also. You can get in touch with me directly. Talk about your challenges, talk about your goals, and then let us together build a life you really want. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal and Master Trainer of NLP. See you soon.